We successfully eluded obstacles in episodes 10a, 12, 13, 17, and 18. Let's study some more about obstructions. Crosstalk survey admirably evades obstacles. Obstruction, obstructions are often found on the boundary of a field, and crosstalk survey doesn't change boundaries of a field. Even then, we had to chain along the sides of a field while demarcating a part from the field. We first measured CF while demarcating a part. If this line is not chainable or rangeable, we can't fix F here. If ranging and chaining are obstructed, we can't fix F here. We took it for granted that CB is rangeable and chainable also. We could fix E only we can range this line from D to A. It doesn't matter if we cannot tape this line, if we cannot chain this line. Measuring DE was unnecessary, but keeping E in line with DA was necessary. Therefore, rangeability of this line was necessary. We took it for granted that this line was rangeable. We took it for granted that CB was rangeable and chainable. Let's now see how those less educated village surveyors managed to measure AB. Ranging and chaining are not possible along AB. B is not visible from A, and we cannot measure this length because of some obstructions like shrubs, bushes, or valuable trees which can't be felled down. So this is not chainable and this is not rangeable. What those surveyors used to do is they used to measure BF with a stick, and they measured this with the same stick, the same distance here also, and they used to measure this EF, and they used to say AB is equal to EF. The figure says that AB is not equal to EF. Here, because this line is not rangeable, perpendicularity is not so easily assumed. Here also perpendicularity cannot be ascertained. Suppose a point G has to be fixed on AB. The length of AG is 190 feet. They used to measure 190 feet from E to H, and they fixed H, and with the same stick they used to measure the same distance towards AB. Here also they don't know how the perpendicularity precisely. Of course this is rangeable, but it's not so easy to estimate the perpendicularity of this line. So G could not be located precisely. In the next episode, I will discuss the method I adopt for measuring AB and locating G.